We are a plastic compounder, so we extrude plastic and then plastic strands, and then we top it into pellets. In our Bottleville, Michigan location, we have about 1,500 assets. We run 10 production lines, and then there's plant support equipment, and then our quality assurance lab also has equipment within the system. Our production lines are mostly extruders, so we have large gearboxes, motors, as well as some of the finishing patent equipment there. So before we started using eMaint as a CMMS, we did most of our PMs by tracking on paper. Those were printed weekly and then signed. It has instructions on it, signed off, submitted. So eMaint was our basically attempt to automate some of that. So we have maintenance PMs and lab PMs have been added to eMaint, and both of those teams track their PMs. That way, it allows us to have better data collection for KPIs, better tracking of what work orders are completed. We have 2 plants under Asahi Kasei Plastics of America. We have one in Michigan and we have one in Alabama. And we integrated, switched to X5 fall of 2022. And part of the reason for that was to share our spare parts lists as well as our PM library. So since that X5 migration, we have streamlined and optimized our PMs so they map within the 2 plants. It's a lot easier to edit, make an edit for one plant and then it push it to the other plants now. And then our spare parts, we're able to look at both sites and see what one site might have on hand if the other site needs it or something. So it's helped us with quite a bit with some urgent repairs that we've had. Send the part down or up to the other plant. My favorite thing about eMaint, probably the fact that it helps with that automation and it's in tracking. It's the Power BI integration for our KPIs. Automation is something, it's the way of the future, and being able to, I joke that when I started tracking our KPIs 5 years ago on an Excel spreadsheet, one at a time, and it took me 2 days to collect all the data and know that I have something that took me 2 days 5 years ago. Now takes no time at all. I just have to go to my Power BI report and it's there. And it has allowed me to focus on other things within the company or other improvements in eMaint to help us with things.